What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is my heavily modded Lian Sheng LS124. And this thing had some hoops around its props. It was kind of like a giant whoop or whatnot. No camera or nothing like that, but it just had the hoops all over the propellers right there around them. And I cut them off, heavily modded it, left it with this cool looking canopy. I think it looks cool anyhow. And I painted it, this little design with the black streak on the top and the black corners there. I did that. This thing is a pretty nice flyer, really nice yaw rate. The pitch is pretty deep too, so it has modded lights as well. This thing had flashy Christmassy lights all around it and all, but it was a very nice flyer and it was deviated, so I really liked it. So I made this thing into a nice night flyer. Now it has the ideal red in the rear, and I think there's blue lights up the front, blue or green, one or the other. I swapped out the little LEDs for some of my LEDs that I had to the colors that I want. But the inside of the canopy has lighting as well. There's a LED in there that flashes different alternating colors. I think it changes from yellow to green and red, and that's the way all the lights were. And so I just left that light flashing in the canopy like that. It's pretty cool. Has little windows on the side so you can see through it. It makes it seem like it's a inhabitable craft. Scale, that is. But anyhow, let's get this thing in the air and fly it. I'm going to fly it with the T8SG jumper, T8SG plus, that is. So it is deviated. It's on the Lian Sheng protocol LS114, which essentially is the same quad, I think, except for the LS114 might be a little larger, or it might have different lights. I'm not sure. I never grabbed that model, but I did look at it in the catalog and all of that, and it looked to be the same. But I know it's a different model because they gave it a different model number. Let's take this thing up in the air so I can show you guys how it flies. There we go. Show y'all the yaw. So pretty nice yaw. One direction, I think it spins a little faster than the other, but just by a little. Check it out. So the pitch is really deep actually. It's just that when you're doing funnels, it doesn't hold the pitch. So let me bring it in, show y'all some funnels with it. So that's the funnels it does. Not bad, but still, the pitch is a whole lot more deep when you're in fast forward flight. It almost goes down. A really sporty flyer. Really nice range because of deviation. Flying all the way out there somewhere. And because it doesn't hold the pitch when you're applying yaw, you can't really do those funnel turns too good. Kind of stuck with banking turns, but that's not bad at all. Banking turns. Oh, bird going after me. I don't know if it's the sound of it that makes the birds think they can get it. But then once they get close to it, they realize that it's something just as big as they are. And then they let it be. Just a 350 milliamp hour battery in here, so I'm not going to fly it too long. There's not much of an LVC warning on this thing either. Oh! Hopefully she's okay. Bring it in. All the lights seem to be intact. The prop isn't bent or anything. Smacked it right into the sign. She's a smooth flyer. Just takes a bit for her to change directions. She does have a faster yaw than usual, so you can always do sliding turns, but if you fly like I fly, constant forward movement, it's kind of hard to do those turns like that where you just yaw. I don't like the way it looks. I like to bank a turn. So my turns are going to be wide with this guy. And like I said, I don't know when the LVC is coming, so I'm not going to really fly her until LVC. This is full throttle here, so I'm guessing she's kind of close. She doesn't like the yaw while she's moving in one direction anyhow. When I try to yaw to the left, it doesn't go too smooth. But when I yaw to the right, it's smooth. Okay, so I think she's ready to go down now. I'm at full throttle and she's staying in place. The Lian Sheng LS124. Thanks for watching.